Cold Denial PvE God role in Destiny 2. For PvE, consider equipping the following perks on the Cold Denial. Arrowhead Break to enhance handling and minimize vertical recoil. Appended Mag to boost magazine capacity. Enlightened Action for improved reload speed and handling during sustained damage. Desperado to increase fire rate following precision kills. Check the full video out below for all of the details. All likes, shares, and comments are appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all future updates.